Hey there, welcome to our video where we dive into a rather peculiar problem. So, imagine running a C program that involves seeking on a terminal. Yes, it sounds strange, right? Well, the program, named weird.c, does just that. When executed on Linux, it spits out an illegal seek error which, considering it's a terminal, makes perfect sense. However, things take an unexpected turn on macOS. The program exits without a word, and if you're using bash, your shell decides to call it a day too. Quite the curious problem indeed, don't you think? Now, let's get to the solution to this mystery. It all comes down to a snippet of code hidden deep inside the macOS kernel. You see, there's this check that looks for a write offset hitting int64_max. Once that limit is crossed, writing becomes a big no-no. Any further attempts are met with an F-big error, bringing our whole seeking shenanigans to a screeching halt. And that explains why our little C program behaves so strangely on macOS. Aha! The solution to our terminal seeking conundrum lies within this code snippet. Quite fascinating, isn't it? To wrap it all up, we've uncovered the reason behind the quirky behavior of our C program on macOS. It all boils down to macOS allowing seeking on terminals but throwing a fit when you hit that int64_max mark. Linux takes a more straightforward approach with an illegal seek error, while FreeBSD opts for a more lenient stance. And with that, we conclude our investigation into the world of terminal seeking adventures. Thanks for joining us, and remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy coding!